Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to create this in Blender. You just select all, delete on your keyboard, go to Files, Import, select this file which you have to unzip first for importing. Select all of the canned components. Ctrl J to join, 3 for the side views, G then Z. Hold your mouse wheel in order to switch back to the normal view. Shift A to add a plane, S to scale, tab to enter edit mode, 2 for edge selection but not on the number pad, E to extrude, select this edge, Ctrl B to bevel, roll up your mouse wheel in order to increase the number of loops, select the can, scale it down, 1 for the front view, G then Z, Shift Alt Shift S, cursor to world origin, cursor selected, Shift A to add a cube in the empty cube, G then Z, S to scale it down, G then Z again, Shift A to add a camera, press Alt R to clear rotation, R and X, 90, E then Y in order to move it to the Y axis, press 0 on the number pad in order to switch to camera view, select the camera G then Z in order to move it on the Z axis, add a new material, press Z in order to switch to material preview, select the color you want for the plane, select the can, just to scale it down, go to the playback, select the can and then press G then X in order to move it to the G axis, I to insert a keyframe, G then X, I to insert a keyframe, G then Z, in order to move it to the G on the Z axis, I to insert a keyframe, press R twice in order to enable trackball rotation, I to insert a keyframe, Ctrl C to copy and paste the first keyframe, Ctrl V to paste, I to insert a keyframe while the empty is selected, G then Z, I to insert a keyframe, S to scale it down, press R twice in order to enable trackball rotation, S to scale it down, I to insert a keyframe, Ctrl C to copy the first keyframe, Ctrl V to paste, press 0 to get back to the normal preview, 3 for the side view, G then Z, Shift A in order to add an area light, G then Z, G, then Z again in order to move it in the Z axis. Change the light strengths in the light properties into to 2500. 3 again on the number pad in order to get the side view. G then Y in order to move it on the Y axis. Shift D in order to duplicate it or to rotate it. Put in the render properties, select cycles, GPU compute, change the samples into 120. Enable render region, hold Z in order to switch to the render preview. Decrease the number of the keyframes to 70. Will be the duration of the video. Select file, but this has to be a PNG file. Select where you want to save it. Select high contrast. Go to File, New. Select Video Editing. Type 70 on the end keyframe. Go to File, but it has to be an FMPEG in order to be an animation. Press Shift A. Shift A in order to add an image sequence. Go to the file you have saved the images, the keyframe, sorry. Go to select all. Go to render, and then you're gonna see the file. And thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video.